Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to go back and revisit Project Beta once again. Today we're going to go ahead and swap out the stock pinion and spur gears. Now originally, TRAXXAS went ahead and threw an 86 tooth spur gear and a 23 tooth pinion gear in the TRAXXAS Slash. Now, it's not a terrible setup. We're going to juice it up just a tiny bit to complement that 3S LiPo we're going to throw in later. We're going to go ahead and throw in an 83 tooth spur gear and a 25 tooth pinion gear. It should juice it up quite a bit. Let's go ahead and swap it out. And there you have it. I think with the pinion and spur setup, we're going to get some pretty good results for Project Beta here. Now we're going to start getting into the really good stuff, paint and LEDs. Two of my most favorite things that I like to do. Now if you're starting to really like these videos, you can go ahead and hit the like button down there below. And if you really dig the videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right up here in the corner. Are you serious? Now at one point in time did you think that was going to be funny? Can't get anything to work around here. Jeez.